Hi friends and welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I am going to prepare bread bites. It's a very simple snack to kill your evening hunger. Ingredient required to prepare these bread bites are bread. I have cut them in long pieces. I have taken 2 eggs, red chili powder, salt, black pepper powder, sugar, and apart from all these ingredients we are going to use oil for cooking. So now let's start cooking. First step, we'll take 2 eggs. We will add salt as per our taste. All these ingredients that we are adding to this recipe depends according to your taste. Red chili powder, pepper powder, sugar, and now we are going to beat everything together. So here our egg mixture is ready. And now let's start cooking. I have put on the gas and I'm heating oil. Let it get heated. Once the oil gets heated, what we will do, we'll take these bread pieces, we'll dip it in the egg mixture, and then we'll place it in the frying pan. We'll repeat the same procedure. I'll increase the flame a bit. I've cut the bread in long strips. You can cut it as per your desired shape. Let it get cooked properly on both the sides. Just flip it. Make sure all the sides are cooked properly. Now we'll repeat the same procedure with the remaining bread. Here our bread bites are all ready. Now let's arrange them in a plate. Here I have taken a plate I have added 4 bread bites. Can you see these things become a bit stiff after frying? Now we'll garnish this with ketchup. Here our bread bites are all ready. I hope you like my recipe. For more of my recipes, you can log on to my website, which is www.susanrecipes.com. If you like my recipe, please do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you soon.